It's clearly wash day. Let me show you guys how to get from this to this. Whenever I wash my wigs, I only use 2 items in order to get the maximum use out of my wig. And those 2 items are herbal essence, which you can get for your local beauty supply store or anywhere really, even Ollie's. That's where I got mine from for $2.29. So it's very affordable, and I just use any herbal essence. The other item I use is the Vidal Sassoon Pro Series Color Infinity Protecting Conditioner, because a lot of times I do put some kind of color into my wig, but these are the only 2 items that I use. I start by running some lukewarm water, and I just test it to make sure it's not too hot. And then I take my wig and I put it right in. I allow it to soak up as much water as possible. And of course, the hair that I'm using in this video is Silk and Purple. Right after that, I just take a little bit of soap. Not really a little, honestly, I take a lot of soap, and I put it right on the hair, and I put some in my hand as well so I can work it in to get every area of the wig. Honestly, your wig can never be too clean. So right here, you just see me massaging the soap right into the hair and just cleaning it thoroughly. I go ahead and just wash this hair about 2 times, sometimes 3, depending on how dirty it is and how much product I used on it, if I even use product at all, because I rarely put any product in my hair. See, that's one of the keys of keeping your hair nice and fresh. The next thing I do is go ahead and take some of the Vidal Sassoon conditioner, and I just take as much as you want, but for me personally, I just like to take enough to lather the whole hair. I don't think you can go wrong with this because you're gonna wash it out anyway, but don't put just a little bit on there. Put enough to cover the entire hair, because that's the goal for the conditioner, I believe, to strengthen the hair and to bring out the best results. So go ahead and do that next. After that, I just go ahead and put the hair in a bag, and I let it sit anywhere from 20 minutes to 24 hours, depending on what's going on with the hair, of course. But I usually like to do anywhere from 20 minutes to 3-4 hours. Usually that's more than enough. But believe it or not, I have left it in for 48 hours, but all was well, I promise. After that, I don't do anything special. I just take the hair out the bag at the allotted time, and I go ahead and just rinse it out. Don't add no soap, just plainly rinse it out until there's no more conditioner in the hair. And that's it. I always allow the hair to air dry unless I absolutely need it and I have to blow dry it because I'm about to go somewhere at that moment. So once the hair is dry, it should honestly look nice, fluffy, and bouncy, and ready to be flat ironed or curled into your desired style. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and make sure you subscribe. And go ahead and share while you're at it.